So the final two slides here provide basic information about the current use of DataSHIELD, so a list of major users at the present time, and then provide you some web addresses to find further information about DataSHIELD. So this slide shows the major current users. The first two projects are not only users, but are also part of the funding of the development of the project of DataSHIELD. In particular, UCAN Connect is one of the main substantial funders over the whole of the development period of DataSHIELD. Athlete is a recently joined study which is funding some key elements of the infrastructural development. Next studies are three consortia of large European and Canadian cohorts. These are all part of, in fact, the UCAN Connect project, and all of these are using DataSHIELD as a central element of their strategy for analysing the data that they have in a way which avoids them having to physically share the data. So these three projects are Lifecycle, Recap, Preterm, and Interconnect. In addition, there's a number of studies that are at the moment exploring using DataSHIELD, of which one has literally just started in the last couple of weeks. This is the Litmus project, which is run from Newcastle, and that's basically a study that's involving a lot of omics analysis. So this is a new departure for DataSHIELD using our new omics capacity. And then the next study is unlike the other ones in that this is a health service implementation of DataSHIELD. So this is Miracum. It's based in Germany, and it's basically seen the first implementation of DataSHIELD in a hospital setting. The other studies listed are studies that have used DataSHIELD in the past, and the key issue is that BioShare EU was the original main funder to develop DataSHIELD, and two projects within that, which are the Healthier Beast project and the Environmental Core project, both of those were major users of DataSHIELD in terms of generating results. Okay, finally, so thank you for listening to this tutorial. Further information can be obtained from our main project website, from our GitHub repository, and then we also have a wiki. And finally, for those who want to start using DataSHIELD and interface with our general user community, then the DataSHIELD forum may be the place that you want to go. Okay, thank you.